All right, welcome to this week's T-Mobile Tuesday. Let's see what we got. You got Firehouse subs, free medium, hook, and ladder sub. I never heard of this. I don't know if it's a new company. Maybe it's not in this area. Who knows? But there you go, Firehouse subs. Then you got Sam's Club membership, $14.99 a year. I don't know any Sam's Club around here, but there you go. Let me just click this so you guys can see. Okay, you got to go there and redeem. Okay, it's one of those, but you got to go in person, show them the app. And here you guys go. Okay, you got to go redeem. Okay, it's one of those. But $14.99 a year is not bad. Plus a $10 Sam's Club gift card. Okay. Class pass, $30 credit. Okay, not bad. One night free movie rental. Here you go. You're welcome. Please let me know what movie you see if you get to use this code. Just come back, leave a comment. Hey, I rented this movie. Just curious, see if people are using it. Then you got GoPuff. Okay, they've been doing this for a while. Free chocolate and free delivery. So this is I always thought it was like I don't know what I was thinking, but I guess it's a delivery thing. It's like an online thing. Okay, not bad. Then you got the usual suspects. You got the travel price line, and then here you guys go. Shell Gas Fuel Rewards. Here's the code. You're welcome. First come, first serve. And then they got the other usual suspects. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and take care.